Alright, so here's the thing. So I've been buying and selling sneakers on eBay for the better part of the last decade. My seller rating is really high, buyer satisfaction's high. I've been doing this a long time. I made a lot of extra money on the side selling sneakers and other things on eBay. My buyer satisfaction's high. I'm always leaving feedback, and if I'm looking for a sneaker in a specific condition, I typically know what I'm looking for and what I'm gonna get. At a certain point, you think you've seen it all. This time around, I was on the hunt for a pair of infrared Air Max 90s. Now, this is a pair that I've had in the collection for a long time. I ended up selling because I wasn't really wearing them. They were a little bit too big, and I didn't really like that. So I ended up selling them, and now I regret it. So I decided I'm going to try to find a pair on eBay, and I found a pair. For a decent price, they were worn, because that's what I was looking for. I didn't want anything that was going to be dead stock, and I would be super iffy about wearing them. I kind of wanted something that I could just throw on feet and keep them moving. So I find the pair I'm looking for, I make an offer, the offer gets accepted, and then the shoes are shipped to me in this box. I'm going to try covering my address, but this is what the box looked like. And here's the thing, I get it, but also, what is this? Now look, I understand sometimes when they say no box included, they're gonna ship it in something else. But I mean, I have boxes from like the last couple of months. Like you could ship it in something like this. You could ship it in something a little bit more appropriate for the size of the shoes. But I mean, come on. And here's the thing: my family gets a lot of packages, so I thought this was something for my dad because nitrile gloves. That's something he uses all the time. And I thought maybe he just got tired of running out and bought them in bulk. No. Not the case. So he does this to the box and he goes, what did you order? I go, what do you mean what did I order? I don't remember ordering anything. Now I genuinely didn't think I ordered anything because I completely forgot that I had ordered these. I knew that they were being shipped to me, I just didn't know when they were going to arrive. But that doesn't change the fact that this is a weird box to send them in. So you can blame my dad for me being less excited about this unboxing video because he kind of spoiled it. He already took the shoes out of the box because we didn't know what was in the box at first. But on the bright side, you can take this as a video explaining what you should not be doing when you're selling shoes online. Even if they don't have a box, put them in a replacement box. Now here's the bright side. The shoes did arrive in some plastic bags. I say bright side because there's not really a whole lot on the bright side here. Yeah, these are pretty deep. Whose idea is this? Alright, well they are the size I ordered. The midsoles looked better in pictures, I guess. The uppers are not bad, actually. Like, I'm looking at the uppers, and the uppers are what I was most concerned about. It looks like just the midsoles need to be cleaned. At least on that one. Same thing with these. So these are the 2015 infrared Air Max 90s, and I'm going to wash my hands as soon as I'm done holding these. But I'm super happy to have these back in the collection. And I'm going to do a cleaning video for you guys, so you guys can see how to, get away with buying cheap shoes on eBay and not paying way overpriced for the prices that I sold my pair for. Anyway, we're going to get right into that. However, we did just get notification that a package was delivered. So I'm going to be right back. Alright, so rookie mistake, I wasn't recording the first part of this unboxing. So I've been in the market for a good pair of boots. And boots, for those of you who don't know, or for those of you who just like to wear sneakers, boots and quality dress shoes are a little on the expensive side. So I've been in the market for a decent price on a nice pair of boots. So one brand that stood out overall because of online marketing and also because of the customer reviews is Thursday Boot Company. Now this is not a sponsored video, but this is what I'm excited about, and I just want to show you guys because this is a sneaker channel. It's a footwear channel. This is different footwear. I actually purchased these on a Thursday, this past Thursday. It's Saturday, so 2 business day shipping is fantastic. I'm gonna be very honest, their average boot goes for about 200 bucks. So you're looking at spending the same price that you would on a pair of Jordans today. You're spending about the same amount on a pair of boots. So the question stands, are they worth it? Now I've had plenty of boots in the past that are mediocre at best, kind of cheap, quality isn't great, materials aren't great. I've heard the complete opposite about Thursday Boot Company, so let's just get right into the unboxing. Now this is kind of reminiscent of the John Geiger unboxing, if you guys remember that. So what we've got here is the Captain boot in black matte. It's a black matte color, so I'm looking at the inside here, and everything's coming in plastic bags now. What is this? We've got a Thursday, got a card that says Thursday right there. Quality guaranteed by Valenia. So that's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. There's a person who did quality control, and That smell, that's a good quality leather smell. Now, this is a little bit of a heavier boot than I was expecting. It's a dressier boot, but it's a little heavier. It feels heavier. What else is in the box? Yeah, might be it. Alright, so that's the box for now. And then we've got everything wrapped up in plastic. Although these I kind of understand. Let's focus in on that. So yeah, there you have a matte black boot. The Captain is based on the idea that the Captain toe here, there's like a toe stitching across the top there. It kind of reminds me of like an old school style dress boot. I'm actually surprised by how heavy this thing is in person. So you got the, designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico. You got the Goodyear welt. You've got some rubber spotting on the bottom for traction. And then just a nice high top matte leather finish. These are supposed to be water resistant as well, so maybe I'll test that out. On the insole, you got Thursday Boot Company, and then you've got, again, there's not a whole lot going on. Brown laces, as you guys can see. Now, they did suggest that you go half a size down from what you're usually wearing in sneakers. I usually wear an 8.5 in sneakers, like the Air Max 90s here are an 8.5. So I got a size 8. Hopefully, that fits just fine. Alright guys, so change of perspective. We're going to go ahead and try these on. Let's bring that down a little bit. Now, I am wearing some pretty cheap loafers. Nothing crazy. DSW. I just like the style for a dressier shoe, and they're kind of nice to wear around the house. So, I don't wear them outside the house, I just wear them in the house. So, we're going to go ahead and take out the guts from the boot. And then you see on the inside it says handmade in small batches. I don't know if you guys can read that or if it focused in on that. Alright, so continuing with the removal of the guts. Got the laces up top. We're going to go ahead and unlace them as much as possible, because with boots you never know. Now this feels like a very sturdy, solid foundation on the bottom here. I think it's the sole that makes this feel so heavy. You got tagging on the back, size 8, Thursday, every day. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this double unboxing video, and I hope you guys can learn some lessons about selling things on eBay, because I think if you are selling shoes on eBay in a box like the one I threw across the room, stop. Just donate them shits to Goodwill. Alright? And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I thought that Thursday boots were going to arrive Monday or something. I thought Saturday might have just been a rough estimate, but I'm super happy they arrived. I'm glad you guys got to see me unbox my first pair of Thursday boots. I'll definitely be looking forward to purchasing from them again, depending on how well these continue to feel, because they feel great right out the box, but oftentimes that's not the best case scenario, so we will take a look and see. Shout out to Uncivilized, Foamer Simpson, and Yum Buckets for the hoodie, of course, keeping me on their friends and family list. I appreciate that. Also, I know that Foamer Simpson and Young Buckets do a life test on a lot of shoes. I used to do this thing on my channel called the Undead Stock Review. I made one video about it, so I never really followed through with it. I think I'm going to bring that back for 2020, the Undead Stock Review. So you undead stock a pair of sneakers, or a pair of shoes, in this case a pair of boots, and you see how well they continue to, meet the requirements for a good sneaker. So maybe I'll bring that back, maybe I won't. I'm just going to wrap this video up. So until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.